Kung walang papatol, walang engagement. So, ano bang sinasabi ng mga netizens dito kay Sir Jack? Unfortunately, may following tong si Sir Jack eh. Maraming followers to. They even call him idol for some reason. So, kung ang goal niya is to gain followers and engagement from his hate-mongering posts, na-accomplish niya ang goal niya. Papalakpakan kita dyan, Sir Jack. Pero, marami na din kasi ang naiinis sa mga post niya. May mga nagsasabi na i-block na lang yung page niya para hindi makita yung post. Meron din nagsasabi na wag nang mag-engage online kasi the more you comment and engage on his post, the more you fuel his algorithm to be visible to a lot more people. To an extent, totoo naman yan. Kung walang papatol, walang engagement. Kung wala masyadong engagement, the content will just be pushed back by the algorithm.